Good morning. It's a lovely day. We're going for a walk. Put your hiking boots on and follow me. We're also testing out the new GoPro Hero 6 Black, so I don't know how good the audio is because I haven't got the adapter mic yet, so bear with me. If not, it'll have to be a narration. So let's go. Here we are on Hertz Road, and we're going down this way, circle around via Headley, and then back up this road right here. So I've done this walk quite a few times before. We're past the cotton mills, public right away, and we are going this way. For the purpose of the test, I'm shooting at 1080p at 24 frames per second. I thought about doing 60. I'm not really going to be slowing down footage of me walking, because that would just be dull. Nice view over the downs up towards Epsom Racecourse. It was interesting that my walking boots are now 3 years old, and apart from if it's raining, they're still quite durable and comfortable. So I haven't quite upgraded yet, so I think I should before long. It's interesting. I've done a few tests on the camera, and I won't know how it really comes out until I get home. So once again, apologies if the sound sounds a bit naff. I'm going on the onboard mic, because the earlier versions of the GoPro Hero 4 you can plug into the USB port a mic and just label it to you or pop it on top of the camera, but the 5 and 6 don't have that option, and you've got to pay about £45 for this adapter. It's a 3.5mm adapter, so you can plug in your mic. That's a bad fail, GoPro, bad fail. Problem with these pathways, they get very overgrown obviously in summer. You can see the chalk downland, we're on the North Downs. Oh, I keep getting stung. Heading back towards Epsom Racecourse. I think stabilisation is very good on this camera, very good. I don't think you really need a gimbal anymore. Not that I ever used one, I just had a steady hand, hopefully. But yeah, it's very good. That sort of saves you 200 quid. When you get the accessories and all bits and pieces, as a filmmaker over the years, you'll need bits and pieces extra. And there we go. Oh, undercover at last. Yeah, it's always extra expense. Some people can just use the GoPro on its own, fine. If you're vlogging, you might want to know sometimes a little bit extra, whatever works for you really. Okay, I've come out, I'm just going to cross this field, which cuts off going past the old farm, and I think this is a preserve. I only ever walk past it because I usually will be going, probably going to turn up and go up there to Headley, or I might go straight on down to Langley Vale and walk up from that way. Let's see how the day takes us. That's where we were, Langley Vale Wood, of course, Woodland Trust. Okay, so I think I'm on the track up here. I know it's uphill. Okay, I've changed my mind. The pathway is very overgrown, so do a little bit of road walking down here. Just turn right at the bottom, and we go under the M25 underpass. Surrey cycle path link. So it's that way to Tadworth and Walton-on-the-Heath and Epsom Downs Racecourse, and we're going up there to Headley. Just there, yeah. You've always got to be careful when you're road walking, which me and my friend Paul have worked out while walking the North Downs way. They come speeding down sometimes, and when it's overgrown in the summer. Yes, I shouldn't be talking into camera as I'm doing this, I know, but I'm keeping an eye out. There's the M25 underpass. That's the problem, there's a constant hum of the traffic. But what can you do? Past these nice houses. Hookwood Cottages. So nice. Okay. We're now here, public footpath. As you can see, this takes us up to the back of the church. So I have a feeling this might be a little bit overgrown. I don't know how much I'm squinting because the sun's right in my eyes. I can't position the sun when you're walking and filming, but oh, church, and we're out into a lovely church. Walk around the churchyard. Now I go on about it. I love these outdoors. I'm going to show you something that's really interesting here. It's a fantastic grotto. I think it's built out of stone from the original church, if I'm not mistaken. Look at that, isn't that fantastic? These churches are open for you. Across the road is the old schoolhouse. That's a lovely old building there. Okay. Any vehicles? There's a trail down there you can go to. Oh, it's the Cock Inn. Some nice food in here in the past. Yeah. In the fields, the Surrey Downs. And there's famous village stores. And there's a little snack. Lovely. Yeah, we're going down here. We'll go back underneath the M25 underpass. That walker's going back up towards Headley. We're going that way. If you went that way, you'll come to the cricket ground and Headley Heath, which is National Trust property. We're going this way. We go down to the M25. For our American friend, the M25 is the ring road that goes around London. It's the biggest ring road in the world. It gets you from A to B, but we call it the largest car park in the world. There's always some sort of delay. I try and avoid it like the plague, but I don't know that much afford to go on it really. I work in Wimbledon, so there's no getting away from it. The M25, love it and hate it. Let's hate it. Go away noise. So we're heading back uphill, back to Walton-on-the-Heath. So if you've enjoyed it, as ever, if you can, like, comment in the section below, and I'll be seeing you next time. But I think I'll just leave you with that. It's a rather nice view. Be seeing you.